This is a brand new 2015 Hyundai Sonata. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and an inline four-cylinder engine. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, commercial-free satellite radio, a turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are included: a heated driver's seat, air conditioning, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, rear curtain airbags, a pass-through rear seat, performance tires, brake assistance technology, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Bill Hood Hyundai is located at 401 North Morrison Boulevard in Hammond. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.